Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix on your Samsung Smart TV when the screen size or picture size settings are completely grayed out. And if you look on my screen right now, I cannot select this. The function is not available. Then if I go to the setting on my remote, well, nothing pops open. So what I want to do is simply exit the application. Now instead of going back to the Smart Hub, when you exit the application, go to Source, and just go to like your TV source, press Menu, then go to Picture, and then scroll on down under here, and go to Screen Adjustments. Then you can see your picture size, 16:9, Zoom 1, Zoom 2, Wide Fit still grayed out, 4:3, Smart View, etc. So it seems like when you're in the Smart Hub, anything is just automatically adjusted for you for your screen size, and you're not able to go to this specific setting under there. But when you go back to the TV input or HDMI 1 or 2 input, you easily can. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.